Ethereum's long-term investment case is gaining renewed attention despite a 28% drop in ETH's price year-to-date in 2026. While the price action has disappointed some, the underlying on-chain metrics suggest Ethereum remains a foundational layer for key crypto financial infrastructure. Token terminal data highlights that over $43 billion in DeFi liquidity is still active on Ethereum's network, and stablecoin supply has surpassed $165 billion. These figures indicate that Ethereum continues to serve as a central hub for decentralized finance and tokenized assets. Analysts are pointing to this as a potential indicator that Ethereum's role in the broader crypto ecosystem is not in decline, even if its price is. In the tokenized ETF space, Ethereum's dominance is even more pronounced, capturing 76.9% of a market that has seen over $400 million in capitalization. This suggests that Ethereum is still the go-to settlement layer for emerging financial instruments in crypto. Meanwhile, staking activity on Ethereum remains robust. Nearly 39.1 million ETH is currently staked, representing about 32% of the total supply. This staking activity is. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Supported by more than 896,000 active validators, and the demand to join the staking network is high. Over 3.49 million ETH is waiting in the staking entry queue, with a wait time of more than 60 days. This level of participation suggests strong network confidence and a stable, growing validator base. The fact that staking demand is rising even as ETH's price is falling could indicate that investors are prioritizing long-term yield and network security over short-term volatility. This dynamic is important because it shows that Ethereum's use cases are expanding beyond speculative trading and into more institutional-grade financial tools. The tokenized ETF niche, while still modest in size, is a growing area where Ethereum's dominance is clear. If this trend continues and tokenized ETFs gain broader adoption, Ethereum's role could become even more central to the crypto financial stack. However, the current price performance of ETH raises questions about whether the market is fully valuing these fundamentals. While the on-chain activity is strong, the price remains under pressure, and it's unclear whether this will persist, or if a broader market recovery could help ETH regain lost ground. The next key signal to watch is whether tokenized ETF adoption accelerates, and whether Ethereum's staking yields remain attractive enough to sustain validator participation and investor interest. If both of these factors hold steady, Ethereum's long-term investment narrative could continue to gain traction, even in a sideways or bearish price environment. The stakes are high for Ethereum, as its ability to maintain and expand its settlement layer role could influence the broader adoption of blockchain-based financial. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Systems. If Ethereum can continue to innovate and support new financial primitives like tokenized ETFs, it may solidify its position as the backbone of the crypto financial stack. For now, the market appears to be in a holding pattern, waiting for clearer signals about whether Ethereum's fundamentals will translate into stronger price performance, or if the current correction is part of a larger, more prolonged bear market. Investors and analysts alike will be watching closely for signs that Ethereum's on-chain strength will eventually reflect in its market valuation.